Welcome in to another Woolly review. Today we are doing New Fashion DK by Woolcraft. Now this is actually going into the giveaway cube, so I can't do a full swatch, but I will do enough to do a little review, my own opinion. Of course, you have your own. We're all individuals. It happens. Now, this calls for a 4mm, so Beanie will be helping me. And a Beanie. And the cheapest place I found this was at Knitting Wool Sales. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We'll leave it at 14. We'll do 14. Knitting Wool Sales for £1.45, £1.45 per ball. And this comes in 77 different varieties. And I'll say varieties because they're not all solid. A couple of them are mixed with a lighter shade of said colour or a slightly darker shade of said colour. A couple of them have ittle bitty bits in it, but they are all under the same name, New Fashion DK. So I'm starting off with single crochet, and then we turn and we will do a half double. It doesn't feel too bad. I felt worse. I felt a lot better, but I felt a lot worse. And this comes in 100-gram skein. Let me read the thing. This is shade 43B5. It is a very baby lemon yellow. 100% acrylic, 300 meters approximately on a skein. Should have read that before I started, and I apologize. It doesn't feel too bad. I mean, even though I've said baby lemon yellow, that does not mean it's soft enough to be called a baby yarn. This is not a baby yarn. This is just a standard skein of DK. But for 300 meters, for £1.50. I wouldn't have said it was too bad. And now we do a double crochet. Doesn't feel too bad in the fingers. There's a little bit of stretch there, but not really very much. And yes, this comes from the UK. Most of my woolly reviews, it's UK wool. On the odd occasion, it'll be somewhere else in Europe. But that's the only thing that I will review because I think it's only fair that the Americans review their American stuff. And there's loads of them out there, so I'm doing the English stuff. Thank you very much, Beanie. It's not bad stitch definition at all. I think 4mm is spot on. It doesn't feel brilliant, but it's not overly rough. It's not brilliantly soft, but it feels like a solid basic DK. So let's take this froggy for a walk. Pretty good on the walk, no problems, but you know, he gets tired of walking, and so he gets the moped out. Kinkage, not too bad with the kinkage, not overly bad at all. I was actually expecting it to catch a little bit because there is a slight, very, very slight fuzz on this. I don't know if that can be seen or not. Ooh, we have hair. Oh my gosh, I'm fluff. So, New Fashion DK by Woolcraft with its little belt back on. What am I gonna say? Would I turn my back on it completely? Oh heck no, definitely not. Would I be very annoyed if I really, really, really needed a DK and this was the only thing that was in the shop and I had no choice? No. Would I be, well, it's not what I came in for, but you know what? It'll be okay, it'll do. Because of the price, at $150 under for 300 meters, I'm going to push this to a 3.5. And I'm only doing that because of the price of it. It definitely wouldn't be on the top of my list. It's a really nice basic. It'll do. It works. It feels okay. It's okay to work with. It's a basic okay for the DK. My opinion only. Heck, maybe you've tried it. If you have, let me know down below, or maybe you've got some in your stash and you haven't given it a go yet. But either way, let me know down below whether you would or not. And heck, while you're under this video, there's a notification bell. There is a subscription, non-paid. It's free. Free! By all means, if you'd like to come back and get a little bit yarny, please do. And hopefully I will see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.